Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mr. SD and I'm hyped you're here, ready to embark on this exciting journey with us. Because today we are diving deep, and I mean deep, into the world of road bikes. We're talking everything from the basics to the advanced stuff. If you're thinking about getting your first road bike, you're in the right place. We'll cover what to look for, what to avoid, and how to get the best bang for your buck. This isn't just some random video, this is the ultimate guide. We've got tips, tricks and insider knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're commuting to work, training for a triathlon, or just looking to get fit, or just cruising around town for fun and leisure, we've got all the info you need to make the right decision. So buckle up, get ready, and let's do this.
All right, let's kick things off with hybrid bikes. These versatile machines are perfect for anyone looking to explore different terrains without needing multiple bikes. These bad boys are like the Swiss Army knives of the bike world. They're designed to handle a variety of riding conditions, making them a great all-around choice. They combine the best features of road bikes and mountain bikes, making them super versatile. You get the speed and efficiency of a road bike, along with the durability and comfort of a mountain bike. You can ride them on paved roads, bike paths, even some light trails. This means you can switch up your routes and keep your rides interesting. They're also super comfortable, especially for beginners, thanks to their upright riding position. This design helps you maintain a natural posture. That means less strain on your back and shoulders, which is a huge plus. You can enjoy longer rides without feeling fatigued.
Trust me, when I first started riding, I wish I knew about hybrid bikes. They're a game changer. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, a hybrid bike can handle it all.
Next up, we got road bikes. These sleek machines are designed to give you the ultimate riding experience. Now, when you think of road bikes, you might picture those super intense cyclists in the Tour de France, right? Those athletes pushing their limits on the world stage. And yeah, those bikes are built for serious speed. They feature lightweight frames, aerodynamic designs, and high-performance components. But don't worry, you don't have to be a pro to ride one. Road bikes are versatile and can be enjoyed by anyone.
Entry-level road bikes are perfect for beginners who are interested in fitness or just want to experience the thrill of going fast. They offer a great balance of performance and comfort. Just remember, road bikes are designed for paved surfaces, so keep them on the asphalt. Whether you're commuting, training, or just out for a leisurely ride, road bikes are your go-to for a smooth and efficient journey.
All right, now let's talk about mountain bikes. If you're the adventurous type who loves to explore off the beaten path, then a mountain bike is your ticket to freedom. These beasts are built to handle rough terrain, from rocky trails to muddy paths. They have wider tires with knobby treads for maximum grip and a suspension system that soaks up all the bumps and jolts.
Seriously, riding a mountain bike is like riding on a cloud even on the roughest trails.
Now, if you're all about that chill, laid-back vibe, then cruiser bikes are where it's at.
These bikes are all about comfort and style.
They have a super relaxed, upright riding position, wide tires for a smooth ride, and a comfy saddle that feels like you're sitting in your favorite armchair.
Cruiser bikes are perfect for short rides around town, cruising along the beach, or just soaking up the scenery.
All right, let's talk about fitness bikes. These are like the sleek, sporty cousins of hybrid bikes. They're designed for speed and efficiency on paved roads, so they're perfect for commuting, running errands, or just getting in a good workout.
Fitness bikes typically have a flat handlebar like a road bike, which gives you more control and a more aerodynamic riding position.
Next up, we got folding bikes. These little wonders are perfect for city dwellers or anyone who's short on space.
Folding bikes, as the name suggests, fold up into a compact size, making them super easy to store in your apartment, office, or even take on public transportation.
Don't let their size fool you, though. Folding bikes are surprisingly sturdy and can handle most city streets with ease. Last but not least, let's talk about electric bikes, or e-bikes for short. These bad boys are like having a secret weapon in your back pocket.
E-bikes have a motor that assists your pedaling, giving you an extra boost of power when you need it most. This makes them perfect for commuting, especially if you have a long commute or live in a hilly area.
Plus, you won't show up to work all sweaty and exhausted.
So there you have it, guys. Your ultimate guide to buying your first road bike. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a bike that fits your riding style, your needs, and your budget. Don't be afraid to do your research, read reviews, and most importantly, test ride a few different bikes before you make a decision. Trust me, once you find the right bike, it's pure freedom. So get out there, explore, and most importantly, have fun.